Solve the following pair of simultaneous equations. We have 2x plus 3y is equal to 3, and then we have 5x minus 12y is equal to 14. We label this equation, equation 1, and we label this equation, equation 2. Next, we're going to make y the subject of equation 1. So here we have equation 1, this is equation 1, 2x plus 3y is equal to 3, and our goal is to make y the subject of this equation. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take 2x and we're going to send it over the equal sign. And so that means that we'll have 3y is equal to 3 minus 2x. Next, we're going to divide both sides of this equation by 3. And then we're going to cancel this 3 with this 3 to give us y is equal to 3 minus 2x all over 3. And that is what y is. And so we're going to take this equation and we're going to call it equation 3. So this is equation 3. Next, we're going to substitute equation 3, which is this equation right here, into equation 2 and solve for x. So this right here is equation 3. All right, this is equation 3. And we're going to take equation 3 and we're going to put it into equation 2. Put it into y. All right. And so we have 5x minus 12y is equal to 14. Again, we have 5x minus 12y is equal to 14. All right. Next, we're going to take this y. All right. Note, remember that y is equal to 3 minus 2x all over 3. And so we're going to take this and substitute it into y. And when we do that, we have 5x minus 12, open bracket, 3 minus 2x all over 3, close bracket, is equal to 14. Next, we multiply. So we take negative 12 and we multiply it by 3. And we take negative 12 and we multiply it by negative 2x. What do we get? Well, negative 12 multiplied by 3 is going to be negative 36. And negative 12 multiplied by negative 2x is going to be positive 24x. And we still put it over 3. And we bring down our 5x and we have the 14. Now we have, notice here we have a linear equation, but we have 3 at the bottom. And so what we need to do is we need to get rid of this 3. We need to eliminate this denominator here. And in order to do that, we're going to multiply each term of this equation by 3. So we say 3 times 5x. We say 3 times this fraction. We say 3 times 14. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to cancel this 3 with this 3. And that's why we use 3. That's why we multiply each term in the equation by 3. The reason why we do that is because if we multiply this this fraction by 3, what ends up happening is this 3 cancel with this 3. And so that means that we no longer have the denominator 3 at the bottom. And so we have negative 36 plus 24x, which is right here. We have 3 times 5x, which is 15x. And we have 3 times 14, which is 42. Now, the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to take the negative 36 and we're going to send it over the equal sign. And that gives us positive 36. And so we have 15x plus 24x is equal to 42 plus 36. Now, what is 42 plus 36? Well, that's 78. And 15x plus 24x is 39x. Next, we divide both sides of the equation by 39. We cancel this with that. And so we get that x is equal to 78 divided by 39. And so x is equal to 2 because 78 divided by 39 is 2. Next, we substitute x is equal to 2 into equation 3 and solve for y. So here we have equation 3 right here. Now we know what x is, right? We know that x is equal to 2, right? And so here we're going to substitute x is equal to 2 right here. And so we have y is equal to 3 minus 2 times 2 all over 3. And we know that 2 times 2 is 4. So notice in the numerator what we have. We have 3 minus 2 times 2. And then in the denominator we have 3. Now we say 2 times 2. Well, 2 times 2 is 4. Or you can say negative 2 times 2 is negative 4. And so we have 3 minus 4 on the numerator. And then for the denominator we just have 3. And we subtract. We say 3 minus 4. 3 minus 4 is definitely negative 1. And we keep the denominator. And so that means that we have that x is equal to 2 for our answer. We have x equals to 2, and y is equal to -1 over 3. And that's the answer to this question.